cloudy, raining. You say it's 26 degrees?
Cold inside, doesn't feel 26.
This video is part 1 of the trip to Sunny Beach, Bulgaria, considered to be one of the most affordable holiday destinations in Europe. The official holiday season here starts from around May, June, all the way to September. The popular holiday resort stretches along the Black Sea coastline and has facilities for thousands and thousands of holiday makers. Wow, look at that. The 2024 holiday season welcomed at least 1 million visitors from countries such as the UK, Romania, Turkey, Germany, Poland, and many other countries arriving at Bulgaria's airport. Hi there. Please hit the subscribe button so you join our YouTube community. Although the main language here is Bulgarian and the use of Cyrillic alphabet, however, people within the tourist area, they speak English and many other languages. Follow me and see how I get on spending several days in Sunny Beach towards the end of the tourist season, September 2024. Here at the airport at Bulgaria, so we have arrived, just waiting for the taxi transfer to Sunny Beach. Bulgaria is the nearest airport to Sunny Beach. It's about 30 minutes transfer by taxi. Advisable to pre-arrange your taxi with the hotel, apartment, or your holiday organizer. There is also a bus stop just outside the airport. You can check the bus timetables. At the time of my travel, airport transfer fee was about 60 lev, which is about 30 euros, and that was pre-arranged. All the usual booking options for your trip available via the internet. I've seen very beautiful apartments, and this place is something else. Very, very beautiful. Let me show you a random tour of hotels, apartments, accommodation facilities available in Sunny Beach Resort. I'll put some calculations down in the comments. It's all luxury. These apartments here, look here, these holiday apartments here, and I think you can actually walk to the beach from here. All these apartments that I've been showing you, they will all have a pool, look at the back, and sun loungers where holiday makers will rest and relax. You can see that tallest building is the Kuban right in Flower Street, and it's the central landmark. I think you see it from most places in Sunny Beach. Nice area here. Let me show you a closer look before we make our way towards Flower Street. This place is very nice. Shopping, sitting area. Very top-end restaurant here. Very popular restaurant. Journey restaurant is quite popular for some fine dining, especially if you want to treat yourself during your holidays here. This is the main road in Sunny Beach and we are looking across to Flower Street. Let's cross over and walk along Flower Street. This is a very popular street for entertainment, shopping, and restaurants and cafes, and nightlife. All of these places close down at the end of the summer holiday season. They start to shut down from about end of August, and some stay open till about now, which is towards end of September, and afterwards everything completely shuts down. So Sunny Beach will look different in the winter and start to reopen in the spring. Let's describe this as the center for everything. It gets busy day and night with people. Here is a sneaky peeky of what the center of Sunny Beach looks like at night, Flower Street. Welcome to Sunny Beach. Checking out the main beach area, and it's massive. There is room for everyone. This is the center for fun, and this is what makes Sunny Beach Resort so popular. So one to the right and another one to the left, and here we are. That's the one to the left, and you can see beyond these umbrellas. You can see St. Glass over there. This is Sunny Beach. This is where we are. Lots of people enjoying themselves in sunny Bulgaria. Look at the parasailing. Wow. Both sides of the pier. At the time of my visit, one parasol was about 9 lev and one sunbed was about 8 lev. The other side of the jetty. Wow, look at that. The boat from Sunny Beach to Niseba at the end of the pier goes just across there. That's Niseba. Heading off to explore the streets and other parts of the resort. These are streets full of shops. We have our big McDonald's here and KFC. Wow, all those towns. Beautiful. So far I've seen several of these Crown Money Exchange, and it's been highly recommended as the best place to change your money.
Everybody get wild up!
Plenty of shops. If you are into shopping, the prices are in levels and it's so much affordable. They have everything. Shops from the center of the resort all the way to the outskirts of the resort. These mini trains, they go around the resort which is quite convenient for transport and also for a tour around the resort. You pay per trip. I quite enjoyed my random walking tour of the resort. Walking through this famous indoor shopping complex in Sunny Beach, I think most of the shops are closed as it is at the end of the holiday season. Found another market stall for fruit and veg, which is quite convenient since I'm self-catering. Wow, look at that very creative fruit display. They have some really beautiful places for food and drink. You can sit both inside and outside. This is like I think a seafood place. Yeah, fish restaurant. The coffee machine, and it's cost like 80 cents. So it costs less than 11, and it's self-service. You find this all over. You got a laundrette here. This back street here, it's good because you get your locksmith and you get your laundrette and some shops here at the back. This random tour of Sunny Beach has been good. I have managed to find some essential services in the back streets such as the laundrette, the locksmith, barber, some more affordable food places. So this is where we are in Sunny Beach. So far I have seen two big wheels. This one is overlooking the pier, not too far from the pier, and another one just by the waterfront. I am doing a bit of self-catering and eating out, trying different types of food. It is so much affordable and you pay in levs. I'll put some prices in the comments. There are cooking facilities in the apartment I'm staying at, and I enjoy home cooking. It is quite good to mix both home cooking and eating out, especially if you are staying for several days here in Sunny Beach. You get to save money and you also get to taste your home cooked food. There are lots of supermarkets in Sunny Beach. I tend to do my main grocery shopping in bigger supermarkets where I get a variety and possibly the price is a bit lower, and then I do top up for basic commodities in the smaller supermarkets. Eating out is also quite affordable. There is a variety of restaurants and cafes.
How much was your fish?
The fish was 3 left. You say it's called white fish?
White bait.
I hope you have enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think, and why not join me in part 2 looking at top things to do in and around Sunny Beach.